Hi and welcome back to Lavender Cocoa Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to make a traditional Christmas favourite called White Christmas, which is basically a slice made of coconut, fruit and nuts. This was something my mum used to make every year because my brother really loved it. Myself, I didn't like it that much because she actually put milk powder in hers, and I wasn't vegan then, but I still didn't really particularly like the taste of milk or milk powder, but my brother did. So I thought I would make a vegan version of this, and since I'm going to see my brother at Christmas, I'll take some for him and see what he thinks of it. So this is actually quite a healthy recipe really, because we have all the goodness of dried fruit and nuts. We're also going to use coconut and cacao butter and some spice. So I'm going to start with cashews, which I've soaked in boiling water about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll just strain those. Blending these cashews. Cacao butter, which I've melted. That's about 1 cup there. So I'll just add that to the cashews. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, this is actually paste. So extract or paste is the best. You don't want to be buying the essence because that's not actually real vanilla. It's just a flavour. So this paste actually tastes really good if you can get this one. Right, and for sweetness, you just add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So obviously this, along with the dried fruit, is the sugar content. And dried fruit on its own does have quite a high percentage of sugar. So I'm not going to add any more than a 1/4 cup of this. And normally I probably wouldn't even put this in if I have dried fruit, but since it's a Christmas treat and just once in a year, I'll just put in a bit of this. Okay, so we're just going to blend this till it's smooth. Now we have a smooth paste. The paste is good. Right, now we'll get the dry ingredients into the bowl. So I'm just going to use 2 cups of desiccated coconut. That's 1, 2. I've got about a cup of mixed dried fruit. Now you can use any kind of dried fruit that you prefer, but to get the best effect, it's best to use a mixture like this, so you get like all the different colours. So I've got apricots, ginger, goji berries, cherries, sultanas, raisins, mixed peel. So there's a good variety and a nice variety of colour, so that when you cut the slice you have a nice like jeweled effect from the different colours. Now I have about a cup, you can use a little less, of roasted nuts. I just roasted those according to my spicy nut mix recipe, which you can look up on YouTube as well if you want, or you can get any roast nuts. And I've also added in some pistachios because the green is a really nice colour to have in this for Christmas, of course. So just add those. And if you want a little spice, you could put in just a little bit of cinnamon. Just grate in a bit of, grate in some nutmeg as well. Just adds to the Christmas flavour, but you don't have to use those. Just combine them. As you can see, you got all the nice colours in there. Add in that cashew mix we made before. This will just bind it and hold it all together. Okay, Just a matter of stirring it all so it's all well coated. And as you can see, it's quite an easy process. And if you have children, this is probably a good recipe you could make with the children as well. Ooh. Once it's well mixed, then just put it into a tin lined with baking paper. And then just spread it out so it's even and press it down. Okay, so once that's done, just put it in the fridge or the freezer and just let it set till it's firm, and then you can slice it. Okay, so you can just like leave it like that and it's fine. But if you want to make like a bit of a decorative topping, you can just melt some chopped vegan dark chocolate. I'll just melt that. Then just drizzle the chocolate over the top, just however you like. So I'll just put that back in the freezer and let it set. Okay, so that white Christmas slice is set. So I've just taken it out and just cut it into squares. You can cut it however you like, and then it's all ready to serve. So that'll be a really nice treat on Christmas Day or at a party, or you could leave some out for Santa as well. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.